Hey everybody, it's Matt. Welcome to the channel if you're a new viewer, and if you're a returning subscriber, appreciate the support. In today's video, I'm going to be taping off the cab of my military truck with my girlfriend, and then once we're done taping off the cab, I'm then going to spray paint the cab with a gloss Behr paint from Home Depot. I spray paint about 2 to 3 coats in certain areas, and that's pretty much the video. Some parts you're going to see me spray painting in normal motion, normal time, but then pretty much most of this video is going to be time lapse. Hope you enjoy the video. Love the sport. One coat down, probably one more to go. Well, that wraps up the video. Nothing too fancy. Cab was taped up, spray painted it. Now I need to let it dry. Once I get the finished product and it's all dry, I'll take a video of it and then show you guys how it turned out. Hopefully the gloss turns out pretty good. I thought it looked a lot better than semi-gloss or flat because it makes the truck cab pop out a little bit more. So let me guys know what you think once I come up with that video.